Well, tonight we decided to put a speed dating event, and it went great. We had 7 couples. And everybody seems interested. And it was a fundraiser, and it's to support our Haitian $1 million diaspora fund. So it was a success, and I'm very happy. And I think we actually probably have possible matches tonight. So I kind of feel like feel good that we could match some people together.
That's right. I find my husband tonight, ladies. Well, I don't know yet. I've met like 7 different guys. They were all interested, all from different areas. Most of them from this area, though. I really enjoy talking to them, meeting them, you know, networking to see what else more they could offer to me as a person, basically. But I really enjoyed myself. I want all the 7 guys to call me. And then I'll choose from there.
It was a good night. The ladies were very beautiful.
And educated too.
Educated black women, Haitian women at that.
Well,
so
not all of them.
Not all of them, but yeah, but you know, most of them was Haitian. So that kind of stuck out of my mind. One time, shout out to people in Haiti. You know, shout out to them, and I'm letting you guys know we're doing this for the Haitian people, for you guys. You know, support you guys, to let you guys know that we haven't forgot about Haiti. You know, and we are still going out there. We're still pressing on to help Haiti out. You know, and we're not gonna stop. So
you hear us? We're not gonna stop.
The event was very great, very well performed, very organized. And a lot of the people I've talked to about it, they said they loved it. They have to call their friends and tell them how great the event was. So I think you guys did well.
This is the best thing you can do. I mean, there are so many things that people are doing. You don't really have fun doing it. And if you're gonna do something and have fun at the same time for a good cause, just do it. And you're gonna end up meeting a lot of wonderful people. Who knows? You might even meet your future wife or husband.
The best part about the night was to get to talk to 7 different guys, actually. They all would come from different backgrounds. They had different things to offer, and actually they was here because they really showed an interest in Haiti. So that's a plus. To come and support an event like that, Cola of Hope, to know that we're doing something great in the community, that was wonderful. And that's any time you could, you know, find someone that interested in community event, what can you say? The guy is good.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I love the conversation. I loved everybody. The ladies were looking beautiful tonight. Man, I don't know how to describe it, man. This is the first experience for me, and I will definitely do it again. Definitely do it again. But I wish I would get the chance to, you know, get to know a certain person on a personal level. But you know.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have it again. This was our first time, and it was a great turnout. We're basically gonna. I think it's fun. It's for a great cause. We're trying to raise $1 million by 2012 to help the Haitian earthquake victims in Haiti. So we're definitely gonna do this again. Maybe about 3 months from now. But what's gonna happen next is basically gonna email the speed daters that are interested in each other to get them matched up. So hopefully, you know, someone can marry someone out of there.
I have a room reserved. All right, I only paid $30 for it. I'll give each one of you guys 1 minute. Excuse me. I'm sorry, I meant $1.
My main reason to come here was the fact that it was for charity, and I'm very involved with charity, and I think that that's a great event to have for charity. And if one person can donate $20 for just to come here and meet new people, if you're single or if you're looking or if you're not looking, it's a great idea.
Come out next time we have an event. Make sure you be here because we are the girls that throw the best event in Palm Beach County and the surrounding areas.
I just want to thank all the participants that participated with us, and we want to make sure that they get the words out. So next time we can have more couples than we had today.
Yes.
So thank you again for supporting Cola of Hope.